nice start. We are talking that threat for maybe a little severe weather. And again, it could be Weld County after we're also talking more on the Windsor 10-year anniversary. We'll talk more about tornadoes and statistics. You know how much I love numbers.
Oh, yeah.
I'll give them to you in just a second.
Okay.
Right now at 5:50, here's a few nice numbers. We'll be at about 75 degrees by noon, 82 by 4. Chance for a few more thunderstorms again this afternoon, but the focus is going to be more north of Denver than south like we saw yesterday. Pretty mild tonight. By 10 o'clock, we're at about 65 degrees. So today it's a marginal risk for some stronger storms. One odd spot we don't typically see out west, there along the western slope along I-70 closer to Grand Junction, could get some gusty wind, heavy rain, some small hail, and also from Fort Collins up north near Cheyenne, we'll see some stronger storms too. Again, late afternoon, early evening. Risk for tornadoes is pretty low today, but when you look at our Colorado tornadoes, 90% of them occur between typically May and August. Also, 95% occur right along and east of I-25, and timing-wise, most are between 1 and 8, which is what made the Windsor tornado so unique, because it was before. It was, in fact, during our 11 o'clock news. I was here reporting on it, and we're trying to get people into a safe spot during our newscast. We'll have more on that coming up at 6 o'clock. Right now, we're in the upper 40s to low 50s. Winds out of the west-southwest at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Pretty mild early on. You'll get a little mix of sun and clouds, and then mostly sunny at about 9 o'clock. 60s, low to mid 60s here in town by 9. We'll be in the low 70s by 12 o'clock, and still pretty dry at that point. Most of our mountain storms will develop by midday today, and you'll see a few of those again track east. Notice up near Fort Collins, Longmont, Platteville, up to Greeley. That's where we've got a better chance of seeing a little rain, thunder, lightning, and then those storms will turn a little bit stronger up near, it looks like Cheyenne, into evening. By early tomorrow, 7 o'clock, we're in the mid-50s. A nice start on our Wednesday, but tomorrow still looks a little unsettled. We've got another round of afternoon storms, but a high of 83. We'll stay in the low to mid-80s through the end of the week. If you're looking for a drier afternoon, you've got plans. Thursday and Friday will likely be those 2 days. 85 on Friday. Heading into the weekend Saturday, we're close to 90 degrees. So for the holiday weekend, pretty nice weather, Jason. I'm glad it wasn't the past 2 weekends where we were talking 60s and soggy weather. This is good camping weather.